Welcome to our expert guide on finding the best fridge repair services in Toronto. If your fridge is giving you trouble, you're in the right place. We're here to help you make an informed choice. The first step is research. Look for local fridge repair services in Toronto. Check their websites, read reviews, and assess their reputation. Pay attention to their experience and customer feedback. Consider their years in the industry, the positive reviews from satisfied customers, and their overall reputation in the community. Don't hesitate to ask for recommendations. Friends, family, and neighbors can provide valuable insights. Word of mouth is a powerful tool when it comes to finding a reliable fridge repair service. Reach out on social networks or local community forums to gather recommendations from others who have faced similar issues. When you've narrowed down your options, it's time to interview the repair technicians. Ask about their qualifications, licenses, and certifications. Discuss the problem with your fridge in detail and ask for a clear estimate of the cost and the time it will take to fix it. Before making a final decision, check if your fridge is still under warranty. If it is, contact the manufacturer for authorized repair services. This can save you money and ensure quality repairs. In conclusion, finding the best fridge repair service in Toronto requires thorough research, asking for recommendations, interviewing technicians, and considering warranties. Thanks for joining us on this journey to find the best fridge repair service in Toronto. Remember, a well-maintained fridge is essential for your home. Like, subscribe, and visit our article on Best in Hood for more detailed reviews of the top fridge repair services in Toronto. Don't forget to visit our website, where we uncover our full detailed reviews of each company or entity. Your fridge will thank you for it.